Hello, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. In this video number 12, we are going to learn how to copy and paste the values in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see here my data is here A, B and C. So what are we going to do is, this is my formula. You can see my formula is in this tab, in this cell. So if I copy this and paste it here, I will get the wrong answer. If I copy this and paste it here, you can see I'm getting the wrong answer. So I just want this is my result of while using this formula, and I want to copy and paste in another shell without any problem. So in this way, this is the same thing which I copied the formula and paste it here. So how can we do it? So we will simply copy the cell which you want to copy. I'll just select right click and then copy, and where I want to paste, so come here and I will click here right, and then you can see paste special. I will go to here paste special, and then I will click in values because I want only the value, not formula. So we are just copy the formula and paste in the cell and click OK, and you can see this is not formula, this is my value which I took from the formula in another shell. So this is simple way. If there is any formula and you want to paste the values in another shell, just copy this, right click, copy, and come to the exact place where you want to paste and right click, paste special and hit values and OK. So this is a simple copy paste technique which you can apply in your actual work. So I hope you like this video. This is a simple tutorial, so it helps a lot. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video of video 13. Thank you.